All right, so we have a mic. You are bad. Just before the video starts, I want to say the mic in the back of the car does not work. Don't do it unless you have like a very expensive mic. Yeah, just don't do it. All right, now back to the video. We're gonna see how that works out. Hold on. Let me set this up perfectly. I don't know how good it's gonna be, but all right, so we're using the GoPro, the 2024 GoPro Hero. We're gonna take it out in, you know, in the nighttime because I don't know how the quality looks. So we're literally, it's gonna be a short video. I just want to see how this camera looks in the nighttime, and you guys let me know in the comments if it looks good, if it's worth buying it. I think for less than $200 is worth it, but let's see. We're gonna hop in the highway and see how it works out. Put the car on Sport Plus. Let's actually see how this works out. All right, so we're gonna hop in the highway. We're gonna see how it works out. Hopefully this is good. Alright. Low key, I think everybody should get this GoPro, bro. You know, if you're willing to spend the money for Christmas, I think everybody should get it. I think it's worth it, 100%. Alright, yo, I hope everyone is really having a good Christmas. If you're watching this on Christmas, or if you're watching this after Christmas, I hope everyone had a good Christmas, because dude, my tree is small, but I got hella gifts this freaking. Oh my god, I'm scared because I haven't put my car in Sport Plus in so long, and I'm actually worried because ever since the pan on my car actually broke, I haven't put my car on Sport Plus, but today we're gonna figure out if this car is worth putting it on Sport Plus. So we're gonna see. Yo, let me know in the comments, you guys rather me shut up or you guys rather me talk? Because some people like the ASMR, you know, driving, but there's other people that don't, and they rather have someone talking. But I don't know, you guys let me know. Let's put this car on Sport Plus. The fact that I have a mic on the back of my car is crazy. Hopefully it doesn't fly off. I'm a little worried for that. Is that a cop? I don't think so. Oh, that little sound scares me, but it's 37 degrees outside. It's freaking cold, bro. It's good, it's good. It's boost season, bro. It's boost season, bro. Y'all need to be outside. This is good for the car. Alright, let's see if I can bust a Yui right here. Can you bust a Yui right here? I hope you could. Listen, bro, I'm not from out here, so I don't really know, like, what can you do and what can't you do. Alright, I'm gonna risk it. It's cold, bro. It got super cold up in here. Alright, let me know how this camera's doing, bro. Damn, bro. I'm not gonna be able to see this until I get home. Oh my god, bro. We hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy about that, bro. I'm super stoked about that. I'm blinding everybody. I'm sorry. It's nice and calm outside too. What's that? Nah, I think we did a good job on doing the transmission flush and changing the fan, because the car really is changing gears smoothly. I was a little scared about that. I think we're good, bro. I think we're good. I just don't know where the cops be hiding out here, bro. I'm starting to like speeding. I mean, I don't speed. I don't condone speeding. See, that could have been a cop right there. He's bugging. This is my exit right here. Oh my God, if you're gonna switch lanes, do it fast. All right, let me know what you guys think about that little POV. I'm not gonna say much because I really wanted to test this camera out. I love doing these little tests because it helps me figure out like what do I have to change and stuff. But I really want to appreciate everybody that's been coming back to the channel again, and for the new people that are in the channel, welcome. You know, my name is Curly, but this is what I love to do, bro. I love to you know, technology, drawings, and cars, brother. Cars. Let me know how this GoPro did on this video. I did put a mic in the back of the car, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna include that, but if it did, it made the cut. But if it didn't, it didn't. Long story short, let me know if you guys really want these POVs back, because I love making them, especially a person that loves to drive, you know. Especially a person that loves to drive, bro. I don't know, I never get that. I don't know, bro. Some people be like, oh, I hate driving, but it's like, the thing is, like, from where I grew up, bro, I grew up poor, bro. I never thought I was gonna be able to buy a BMW or even a car, point blank. So like me like driving, it's been like a dream, bro. Like if I were to be a freaking NASCAR driver, I would have, bro. I would have been if that was a thing, but I don't want to take it that far. But long story short, like this is, I love driving, bro. I love cars. I love the way, bro, you give me any car and I'm smoking the crap out of any car, bro. I don't give a crap if it has 150 horsepower. I'm having fun in that little thing. But let me know if you guys enjoy the video. I appreciate you guys for coming every single time. Come on. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.